check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What up, YouTube? It's Saturday. We're playing LA. There's a car meet. There's all kinds of stuff going on tonight. It's gonna be a good one. You know what I'm saying? Every day another chapter. It's September 7th, 2024. I just want to say I was here at the very beginning for the Pickle Master Quest. You look like, yeah. Joey Chestnut's not gonna have nothing on this jawline next year.
God, I don't know how he does it. I mean, I tried to eat like 3 pounds of pickles today and I threw up after one.
12th place. Number 1 in my heart. 12th place pickle eater. Next year, though.
Look for me now.
Yeah, look for our docuseries.
Look for me
It'll be on HBO Max.
I'll sign H-Town Pickles. I'll sign anything. Just come up to me.
He'll sign your pickle. He'll sign anything that's shaped like a pickle. We ran into the homies. How much do you think the Dynamo's gonna win by tonight?
20.
I love it. 20-4. Some would say 4-20.
Fuck LA.
Fuck LA. Respect the hustle. Respect the hustle. Respect it. As someone that's in year 20 of their photo career, we've all been the starving photographer. Let them take your picture, buy the $20 frame, hook them up, hook them up. A little late, but we're in here. Let's go Dynamo, let's go to Hustle Town. Let's go, Dynamo! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby!
I knew it was going to be a Chico. It's just a matter of him breaking free. He just didn't have the angle. He had to go back, get it in. It's hard. It's hard to do. Let's see what happens.
Take it out, yeah! Offsides, baby! Oh, yeah.
September.
Yeah! Let's go, Dynamo.
Let's go, Dynamo!
How much we winning by? It's been a rough game. How much we winning by?
1-0. We'll take it. 1-0. 1-0. How we doing, y'all?
It's halftime. It's still 0-0. What's the final score going to be?
It's gonna be, I don't know, it's been a real chippy first half. I don't know, the referee's kind of been all over the place, a little inconsistent, I feel like. I think we're gonna grind out a 1-0 win. Ponce's gonna give us just squeak some by the goalkeeper and give us something to go home happy about.
He's usually right. I love the confidence.
Let's go, Dynamo.
I feel like we've had 100 opportunities tonight to shoot the ball and we just won't. Like we keep passing away shooting opportunities and it's driving me crazy. 0-0. Here with the referee. I'm sorry. It's Terrence the Terrible.
Right here.
Let's go. Hey, 0-0. But we still got a point.
Yeah.
We still got a point, baby.
He like 12 shots.
Yeah. It happens.
12 shots should have went in, man. Go on, man. It's all good, though.
It happens. I'm here with the rest of the front row. That was 0-0, but come on.
Honestly, man, we dominated the match. Should have been a dub, but it happens, man. It's soccer, you know. It's soccer. That's how it goes. We'll take it. I like how we look, so we'll keep this rolling, brother.
Always, you know.
Vamos,
Car show was dope.
We suck.
What else is new? Car show was dope. The car show didn't suck. Car show was good.
Y'all missed it,
I just get mad because we can't score the damn ball.
Yeah.
Like, seriously.
There were so many shots tonight that were passes.
We dominated everything but the goal, bro. So,
Let's go.
Let's go, Pistons!